Hey, have you ever felt like your life is a washing machine? It just keeps spinning round and round, and then boom, everything's gone. You lose your money, your job, your lover, even your faith. But wait a sec. Life isn't stealing from you. It's just swapping stuff. Today you lose a pair of shoes. Tomorrow you might get a pair of wings. Humans have this funny habit. Every time we lose something, we freak out. Lose your phone? Oh no, my precious data! Lose your job? That's it, my life is over. But come on, has anyone ever died from losing a lover? At most, you just lose 2 kilograms from crying too much. You know what? Life is kind of cheeky. Every time you lose something, it's just life cleaning up space for something new to arrive. It's like uninstalling an old app to install a better update. The only difference is, life doesn't show loading, so you think it's broken, but actually, it's upgrading you. There was this guy who got dumped by his girlfriend. He was so sad, he sat in a cafe watching the rain for a whole month. One day, too depressed to sit still, he decided to hit the gym. After a few weeks, he lost 8 kilograms, gained a 6-pack, and even started dating the gym owner. See? Lost a lover, gained abs. That's life. When you lose on one side, you win on another. So hey, if today you're losing something, a chance, a person, or maybe an old dream, don't panic. Just stand up, dust yourself off, and smile. Because who knows, what you think you've lost might just be life returning you a brighter version of yourself. Life doesn't take things away from you. It's just teaching you how to receive gifts in a new way. If this story made you smile or gave you a bit of strength, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting stories. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.